Yes, we have learnt about one-to-one function, onto function and bijective functions. Now we will do some questions. Let's take up the first question. Show that the function f from R to R defined by fx equals to 3 minus 4 times x is a bijective function. And here domain of the function is R, that is the set of real numbers, and codomain is also the set of real numbers. Now I have to show that this function is a bijective function. Just recall the definition of a bijective function. A function f is bijective if f is both one-to-one and onto. So in order to show that this function is a bijection, I need to show that this function is both one-to-one and onto. So I start with one-to-one. If I have to show that function is one-to-one, then I have to show that distinct elements of the domain have distinct images. For that, I take two elements in the domain. In this case, the domain is R. So I take any two elements x1 and x2 in the domain, and I assume that their images are same. So image of x1 is fx1, which is same as image of x2, which is fx2. Now I will proceed to show that x1 is equal to x2. So here fx1 is equal to fx2. So fx1 will be 3 minus 4 x1 equals to 3 minus 4 x2. This 3 will get cancelled out. I'll get minus 4 x1 is equal to minus 4 x2, which will imply that x1 is equal to x2. So when images are same, it implies that elements are same. So that means when images are same, elements cannot be different. So different elements cannot have the same image. So function will be one-to-one. Now we have to show that this function is onto. A function is said to be onto if every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain. So the codomain of the function is this, that is the set of all reals. So I take any element y in the codomain, that is in R. I have to show that whatever y I take in the codomain, its pre-image will exist in the domain. So let the pre-image of y be x. So fx will be equal to y because here y is the image and x will be the pre-image. So I have assumed that the pre-image of y is x. Now according to the definition of the function, fx is equal to 3 minus 4x. So here 3 minus 4x is equal to y. Now remember this. At this stage, we have to express x completely in terms of y. So I'll transpose all the terms containing x to one side and other terms to the other side. So minus 4x will be equal to y minus 3, and that will give you x is equal to y minus 3 over negative 4, which can be written as x equals to 3 minus y over 4. So here I have expressed x in terms of y. Now I have to justify that whatever y I take in the codomain, this x always belongs to the domain. Now in this case, the domain of the function is R. So in order to show that this function is onto, I only have to show that for every y in the codomain, this x is a real number. Now look here, y belongs to the codomain, that is this set. That means y is a real number. So 3 minus y over 4 will be a real number. So this x will always belong to R, that is the domain. So every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain. So function is onto. Now as function is both one-to-one and onto, so I can say that f is a bijective function. Let's take another question. Show that the function f from r minus 2 to r minus 1 defined by fx equals to x minus 1 over x minus 2 is a bijection. Now here the domain of the function is this, and it means that domain consists of all real numbers except 2. Codomain is R minus this set which contains the element 1. That means codomain is the set consisting of all real numbers except 1. So I have to show that this function is a bijection. So I need to show that function is one-to-one and onto both. So first I'll show that this function is one-to-one. I take two elements x1, x2 in the domain, that is in this set. I assume that their images are same. fx1 is equal to fx2, and I proceed to show that x1 is equal to x2. So fx1 will be equal to x1 minus 1 over x1 minus 2 equals to fx2, which is x2 minus 1 over x2 minus 2. Now cross multiply. So x1 minus 1 into x2 minus 2 equals x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 1. Open the brackets. x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus x2 plus 2, and this is x1 x2 minus x1 minus 2x2 plus 2. This will get cancelled out. This will get cancelled out. Transpose this negative x1 to this side. So minus 2x1 plus x1 will be equal to minus 2x2 plus x2. That is minus x1 is equal to minus x2, and which implies x1 is equal to x2. So we have shown that when images are same, elements cannot be different, they are same. So different elements cannot have the same image. Therefore, function is one-to-one. Now I have to show that this function is onto. So I have to show that every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain. So I take any element y in the codomain, which is this set. Let the pre-image of this y be x. So I'll write fx is equal to y. Now fx by definition is x minus 1 over x minus 2. And at this stage, I have to express x in terms of y. So what I'll do, I'll cross multiply. So x minus 1 is equal to xy minus 2y. So as I have to express x in terms of y, so I will shift all the terms containing x to one side. So I'll be getting x minus xy equals 1 minus 2y. So from these two, I take the common factor x. So x into 1 minus y is equal to 1 minus 2y. So that will give you x is equal to 1 minus 2y over 1 minus y. So thus, we have expressed x in terms of y. Now I have to justify that whatever y I take in the codomain, its pre-image, that is this x, belongs to the domain, that is this set. Now the domain consists of all real numbers except for 2. So I have to show that this pre-image, that is x, belongs to this set. Now this y belongs to the codomain. That means y is a real number not equal to 1. Now as y is not equal to 1, that means denominator will not be equal to 0. So this is a well-defined real number. So one thing is clear, that x is a real number. Now I have to show that this x cannot be equal to 2. So let if possible x is equal to 2. X means this number. So 1 minus 2y over 1 minus y is equal to 2. So this would imply 1 minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2y, and that will give you 1 equals to 2. And this contradicts the fact that 1 is less than 2. And we have received this contradiction because of our wrong assumption. Our assumption was that x is equal to 2. So that assumption is wrong. So x cannot be equal to 2. So x is a well-defined real number but not equal to 2. So therefore x belongs to this set. All real numbers except 2, and this is our domain. So every element y of codomain has a pre-image in the domain. Therefore function is onto. So as f is 1 to 1 and onto both, so therefore f is a bijection.